Awesome. Let's go step by step so you get a complete professional YouTube brand package. Here's what I'll provide now. Das sind 1. Custom logo design, concept and visual prompt. I'll generate a logo for Trendverse. First, please choose your favorite style and color palette. Got style options. 1. Futuristic glitch wordmark, tech vibes, cool and modern. 2. Digital globe plus TV icon, global plus trendy feel. 3. Abstract T plus V fusion symbol, minimalist and slick. 4. Mystery tech insignia, like a symbol from a secret society or AI. Dasadu color palettes. A. Cyber blue and neon purple, futuristic and eye-catching. B. Matte black and red, mystery plus urgency. C. White and cyber green, clean plus tech-focused. Let me know your choices, e.g. Style 1 plus Palette A, and I'll generate the logo for you. 2. YouTube channel banner. The banner will include channel name, Trendverse. Slogan, decode the viral, explore the unknown. Icons or visuals, glitch effects, trend icons, globe, net, mystery tones, social handles, optional. Do you have them yet? Would you like me to generate this visually or just give you the design layout? 3. Video script, fully written example. Here's a DAO's short version of the script for 5 jobs that will disappear by 2030. DAO 3 will shock you. Intro 00015. Voiceover. AI isn't coming, it's already here. And it's replacing jobs faster than most people realize. If your job's on this list, you might want to start learning something new. Part 1. Data entry clerks 015-035. Once a booming industry, data entry is now handled by AI systems with 99.9% accuracy. Companies like Amazon and Google already rely heavily on automation for form processing, scheduling, and reporting. Barashu safety. 2. Telemarketers 035-055. If you've received a call lately, odds are it wasn't human. AI voice bots like ChatGPT-powered sales agents are closing deals and answering objections 24/7. Das Dupusin. 3. Graphic designers entry-level 0.55-120. This one hurts. Tools like Midjourney and Canva's AI are replacing junior designers. If you're not adding real creative value, you're at risk. And being for travel agents 120-135. Search engines and personalized booking platforms have made most travel agents obsolete unless they offer luxury or niche expertise. 5. Bank tellers 135-150. With mobile banking, ATMs and blockchain on the rise, physical bank branches are shutting down globally. Scared? Don't be. If you learn how to work with AI, not against it, you'll be 10 steps ahead. Subscribe for more future-proof insights every week.